This is how I made 5 figures in the military fast. I want you to keep in mind that before I go into my story, I just turned 20 and I'm an active duty infantry rifleman in the Marine Corps. So you could probably imagine I'm busy most of the time. Plus I have a lot of stuff to buy for the field constantly, $70, $100, it piles up every week. But with that being said, that never changed my work ethic or the quality of my work itself. So if you're interested in replicating my path to success, just know that it's 100% possible. So to start off, I had very little money to work with, about $500 in my account, living paycheck to paycheck, and I just got so tired of this. So with that being said, I discovered dropshipping, and it has to be the easiest business model out there, but being new to this, I did fail a few times. It wasn't until I created a tactical gear store, something I knew about, where I actually made my first amount of money online. And I remember I was in the field and I made over $2,000 from doing nothing. After that, I took it even more seriously and went up to 5 figures. Again, doing very little work. Now with dropshipping, you have to advertise your products, and I sucked at making videos. I never thought I'd make good content, let alone go viral. I was just another Instagrammer or TikToker that reposted videos I thought were funny. So when I eventually took my videos seriously, I went viral on my 4th post. Now it's important that I mention this because my brand is really what helped me advertise my dropshipping store. But other than that, I just thought it was luck. I started to improve, and within 1 to 2 weeks, I posted my next viral video. So this is when I kind of considered myself and transformed into a content creator and really dedicated myself to learning the craft. So one viral video after the next, growing my following. Now I was starting to make money off my videos, and I wasn't even advertising my dropshipping products. It was just so much online traffic that sales were just occurring. Now, growing on social media also connects you with larger creators or influencers, and this was the case with me, and I started to grow my network exponentially. Keep in mind, from what I said in the beginning, I'm only 20 years old. I was speaking to 7-figure business owners and experts, right? With this being said, it increased my knowledge and took my content and branding game to the next level. So far, if what I said interests you or you want to do what I did to make 5 figures, I will leave a link down below to my free dropshipping course where I take you step by step on building an online store so you can have a source of passive income. It's a quick course, and as a bonus, there are downloadable checklists to help you make sure that your store is perfect and ready to make money. So to continue, when I first made my dropshipping store, I learned the valuable skill of web design. And then I became a part-time freelancer where I was selling this skill. And remember, this is digital, so it's easy to learn these skills and sell them because they're in such high demand. This brought extra money to invest later on. Now, I wanted to multiply my wealth, so I ended up learning how to use the stock market to my advantage. I lost money, but I gained tons of experience and started to become profitable. So one time making $500 in 10 minutes. I will soon be creating a course on how to read the stock markets and how to make plays within it. So if this is something you'd be interested in, make sure to create an account on our site so you're notified when it does come out. Now, the last secret, if you will, is really saving budgeting. As you know, we don't get much from being in the military, and if you're like me who doesn't want to be limited to a paycheck, then you are in the right spot. Now, saving is simple, and this will come with you when you start these new ventures if you choose to do so. So obviously avoid all the fast food, useless purchases, and just live a minimalist lifestyle. And if you ever choose to go out and enjoy yourself, please do it in moderation. So in a nutshell, I've done all of this in less than a year, and I'm still growing. I'd say that the hardest part is getting through that plateau of not making any money when you start. And once you get past that, it's so easy. So it is possible and very easy to accomplish if you just put in the work. And if you want to get started today, stop wasting time and make really good money, I highly recommend enrolling in our free course at operationentrepreneur.co. I'll leave a link in the description, and as a bonus, if you sign up now, you'll get access to Shopify for $1 for 3 months. So if you learned something or this gave you some ideas, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.